Dishwasher safe is one of the most loosely used labels in the cookware industry. At Wade Media Labs, we decided to give that label a real-world audit. We took 15 top-selling sets and ran them through 500 industrial cycles. This is equivalent to roughly 5 years of heavy residential use, but compressed into 2 weeks. We used a high-temp commercial machine with an 180 degrees sanitizing rinse and concentrated alkaline detergents. This environment is designed to kill bacteria, but it's also designed to strip metal. The destruction was widespread. By cycle 200, 13 out of the 15 sets showed catastrophic failure. We saw non-stick coatings flaking into the water and anodized aluminum oxidizing into a gray, chalky residue. High alkaline detergents and thermal shock are the primary killers. Most safe pans rely on thin protective layers that eventually porous under the constant pressure of commercial-grade chemicals. Only 2 sets emerged with their surfaces intact and their structural integrity verified. These winners utilized heavy-gauge 304 stainless steel and reinforced, multi-layer bonding that resisted the caustic environment. If you rely on your dishwasher, don't trust a label. Trust the metallurgy. Most pans aren't built for the long haul, they're built for the showroom. See the full failure logs, the macro photos of the oxidation, and the 2 survivors at cookwarescout.com. Look for the 500 cycle durability audit.